man uses plastic in every possible situation in his life, like eating in plastic plates, drinking in plastic bottles and glasses, and throwing them in an open plot near his house. A person collects plastic and burns it alongside a street. A college student passes alongside the street on his way to his college and he happens to inhale that gas produced by burning the plastic. This happens continuously for a year or so. One morning, the college student wakes up feeling difficulty in breathing. He is admitted to a hospital.
Doctor, he is facing difficulty in breathing from morning. Please check him. Doctor, what happened to him?
This is a serious respiratory issue. It is caused due to inhalation of obnoxious gases, mainly carbon monoxide.
Doctor, how is he now?
He is fine now, but
When the doctor seeks a reason for this to happen, the college student says that he passes through a street while going to his college, where a person burns the plastic which he collects every day.
this is not first case I've seen of this problem. Many people often face respiratory problems due to inhalation of obnoxious gases, which is released from burning of plastic. People even become victims of cancer due to consumption of microplastics. So this is a very serious issue and immediate action must be taken against.
The parent of the boy filed a case against the plastic used in India, as the doctor suggested.
Sir, I'll try my best to get you justice. Your Honor, as my client has filed a petition that the government isn't taking any serious action on the issue of improper disposal of plastic. In India, there is generation of approximately 9.46 million tons of plastic waste per year. This figure is based on CPCB's projection that an estimated 25,940 tons per day of plastic, equivalent to 1,030 truckloads at 25 tons per truck, is generated in the country. The demand for low-density polyethylene grew at a CAGR of around 5.5% during 2015 to 2019. A large volume of this goes for packaging of films, that is about 30%. If exposed to ultraviolet light, this plastic takes around 500 to 1,000 years to get degraded. Immediate action has to be taken to control this plastic usage, such as France, in order to control its plastic usage, has set an ambitious target to phase out all the SUPs by 2040 and also recycle 100% of plastic usage by 2025. Also,
Objection, Your Honor. Objection sustained. Your Honor, France generated 4.5 million tons of plastic waste in 2016, equivalent to 66 kgs of plastic per person. France releases 11,200 tons of plastic waste in the Mediterranean Sea every year. The waste management system collected 4.4 million tons and 0.1 million tons was left uncollected. This uncollected waste led to 80 kilotons of plastic leaking into the nature. The France PVC pipe markets reached a value of USD 408 million in 2020. Looking forward, IMARC Group expects the market to grow at a CAGR of 9.1% during 2021 to 2026. And France has recycled only 22% of plastic waste, and whereas India has recycled 60%. It is in good position comparatively. Also, we can't say that the government isn't doing anything. The first plastic waste management law was passed in 1999, which was amended in 2003, and currently the government is focusing on banning SUPs in 3 phases by July 2022.
but Your Honor, India produces a humongous 3.3 million metric tons of plastic per year. Even this data is frightening, as it might be an underestimation. Daily, many lives are being lost due to effects of plastic pollution. I agree that the government is making laws, but how far are these being implemented? We can even check out of this code that vendors are using plastic bags below 50 microns.
Your Honor, but these plastics are very useful in our day-to-day lives. We use them from life-saving helmets to manufacture of spacecrafts. A sudden and complete change brings consequences which are great downfall to the Indian economy, as well as the industries will be greatly affected. We use them because they are affordable, tough, durable, etc.
I object, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
If immediate action is not taken, then we won't only risk the lives of our subjects, but also the biodiversity of our own country in terms of the domestic animals which consume the plastic waste will have to face the consequences. It won't be too long for us to see a deadly future wherein we'll be engulfed with obnoxious gases all over the place. Firstly, there must be a complete ban on single-use plastics, which in one way is the root cause of this issue. Countries like France have taken an active initiation in the ban of single-use plastics, and we expect the same to happen even in India. With this, I rest my case, Your Honor.
After listening to the arguments of both the parties, the court has come to a conclusion. The court hereby orders the government to strictly prohibit burning and disposing of plastic in the open. Heavy dues shall be imposed on those who are found to do so. The case is closed.